live in New Glarus, Wisconsin.
A beautiful town of Swiss heritage surrounded by rolling hills and small farms.
Where you can still find people living much the same way they did 100 years ago.
We are America's little Switzerland.
We are a community of 2,000 hardworking and caring people, and we are proud of our town.
Until recently, our town size and location kept us protected from many of the world's problems. But technology has changed that.
We are one click away from sharing and caring for people everywhere in the world.
Through Facebook and YouTube, we learned about the Kony 2012 video.
We learned about the atrocities committed by Joseph Kony and the horrifying experiences of the children living in Uganda.
Imagine kids our age and younger being abducted from their homes
And forced to become soldiers and sex slaves.
Of all the evil dictators and war criminals in the world,
Joseph Kony is the most wanted man in the International Criminal Court.
We didn't make this video to teach you what we learned. You need to watch the Kony 2012 video on YouTube.
You need to watch it yourself. And you need to watch it now.
We can help make Joseph Kony famous and pressure political and social leaders.
Here's what the town of New Glarus can do.
number 1.
If you haven't seen it, watch the Kony 2012 video on YouTube and tell everyone you know about it.
Number 2.
Write or call our House Representative, Tammy Baldwin, our Senators, Herb Kohl and Ron Johnson, as well as the people listed in the Kony 2012 video. Let them know that arresting Joseph Kony is our #1 priority.
Number 3.
Download the free digital action kit from Kony2012.com and put the posters up in your windows.
Number 4.
Join us at sundown on April 20th. Cover the night with as many posters as you can.
We want to send a message to all the other small towns in the area.
Belleville, Monticello, Monroe,
And all the rest.
Get involved.
Join the movement.
The Kony 2012 video struck a nerve with people from towns like yours all over the world.
And has awoken a sleeping giant.
This is a new era, a time when people like us from small towns can influence the course of history.
As individuals, our voice is weak.
But together,
Our voice becomes loud and strong.
In the past, we might have felt powerless to fight injustice halfway around the world.
But the world has changed.
People like us.
From towns like New Glarus.
Now have the power to make a difference.
And we can't afford to wait.
The time is now. Now we choose to fight.
Join us and together we can help bring Joseph Kony to justice.